check has not been cashed. We still pay Cuba every year to lease Guantanamo Bay.
We're still paying for that?
Yes, still paying for it. Yes, it's on lease, legally. But Fidel Castro says he will never cash any of that check because it's blood money. So they keep piling the checks in Havana.
Okay, so they're not cashing the check, but we continue to pay the checks. And so that's this is one of Castro's kind of things.
That's correct. We keep paying, but he's not cashing any of it. We have to leave Guantanamo Bay. He's not accepting a dime for it because he believes it's blood money. Now, having said that, what are the problems in Cuba? You have a lot of problems that are hidden. First of all, the demography. Some statistics that just came out, some say, well, Cuba is about, 55% white, 45% black. But then some statistics say, no, it's 55% black, 45% white. The 55% black might make more sense because after the revolution, you remember there was a whole lot of flight, of particularly middle-class whites, predominantly, who left the country, thus making the black population, on the ascendancy. So that's a big problem. Up to today, the racial disparity in Cuba.
It's a real racial thing in Cuba.
Yes, even though, officially, it's a classless society. But a lot of black folks in Cuba started complaining now about discrimination in Cuba. In fact, not very few months ago, a lot of black politicians and preachers in this country wrote to the Cuban government about discrimination against black folks in Cuba. The Cuban government says, no, things are better.